Hello students, welcome back to Arman Educational Tutorials. How are you all? I hope you're all fine and doing well by the God grace. Students, welcome to today's lesson, A Visit of Charity by Eudora Welty. This short fiction is taken from Degree Semester 2, Unit 5. Students, I have prepared easy and short summary in both the languages English as well as in Hindi so that you can easily remember to write in examination. And also it will be helpful to the different regional medium students like Hindi, Gujarati, Marathi, Telugu and Urdu medium. So watch the video till the end to listen the Hindi explanation also. I ensure you it's going to be helpful to you. Students, it takes a lot of effort and time to explain in both the languages simultaneously. So please, I request you, show your love by hitting a like button, subscribe our channel and click on bell icon set to all to get all notifications of upcoming details of degree courses. And share to all your friends so that they can also learn, and don't forget to give your valuable feedback. Before starting a lesson, I would like to give a brief explanation about Eudora Welty. Students, always remember that begin your answer with the introduction of the author so that you can score a good marks in examination. So let's learn about the author Eudora Welty. Eudora Welty, born in 1909 and died in 2001, was an American short story writer, novelist and photographer who wrote about the American South. Her novel, The Optimist's Daughter, won the Pulitzer Prize in 1973. Her literary career took off with the publication of her first story, Death of a Traveling Salesman, in a literary magazine. She was a prolific author and wrote stories in multiple genres. Her stories often portrays a relationship between individuals and their communities. Welty won numerous awards for her work. Students, here charity means donations, alms. Let's start the lesson. A Visit of Charity is a short story by American author Eudora Welty, first published in a small literary journal in 1941. The theme of the story is that people's selfishness can blind them to be the needs of others. The title contradicts the meaning of the story. Charity means generosity or kindness towards others, and no one in the story carries that out. Marian's visit derives from selfishness, not from charity. True charity comes from within, and her childishness ambition is totally at odds with generosity of spirit. स्वागत है आप सबका अरमान एजुकेशनल ट्यूटोरियल्स में। चलिए शुरू करते हैं स्टोरी। इस स्टोरी का मकसद ये दिखाना है कि लोगों को सेल्फिशनेस इतना अंधा बना देती है कि वह दूसरों की ज़रूरत नहीं देख पाते। इस स्टोरी का टाइटल इसकी मीनिंग को कॉन्ट्रडिक्ट करता है कि चैरिटी मीन्स जेनरसिटी या काइंडनेस, जो कि इस स्टोरी में किसी के पास नहीं दिखती। तो ये जानने के लिए चलिए शुरू करते हैं। Eudora Welty, in the short story A Visit of Charity, describes the old lady's home and the pitiable conditions of two women inmates. Marian was a young girl of 14 years. She was Campfire Girl. Campfire is a youth development organization in America. One of the duties of Marian was to earn extra points by visiting a home for the elderly people. So, she visited the old lady's home with a selfish purpose and not with the feeling of compassion towards the old ladies. When she went to the old lady's home, she met a nurse. She took the girl into the room where two old ladies were staying. One of them was ailing. Marian had carried with her a potted plant and a copy of Bible with her. If any girl from the campfire carries a potted plant and a Bible with her when they visit old lady's home, they get extra point for the potted plant and the double points for reading the Bible. That is why Marian bought the potted plant and the Bible. स्टोरी एक 14 साल की लड़की मैरियन के बारे में है। एक कैंपफायर गर्ल मीन्स अमेरिका में एक यूथ डेवलपमेंट ऑर्गेनाइजेशन होता है जिसमें यूथ को आउटडोर सर्विस और दूसरी कम्युनिटी को किस तरह हेल्प किया जाता है सिखाया जाता है। तो मैरियन को कुछ पॉइंट्स अर्न करने के लिए कुछ कम्युनिटी सर्विस करनी थी, तो उसने प्लान किया कि वे थोड़ी देर के लिए एक लोकल नर्सिंग होम में चली जाएगी। और उसे वहाँ जो लोग रहते थे उनकी कोई चिंता नहीं थी। तो वो सुबह के समय ओल्ड लेडीज होम पहुँच जाती है, अपने साथ एक फूलों का गमला और बाइबल ले जाती है ताकि वह एक्स्ट्रा पॉइंट्स स्कोर कर सके। The two women also knew that the girl had come with a selfish purpose and not out of sympathy towards them. When she entered the old lady's home, she first met a nurse. She was an indifferent type of woman. The nurse appreciated the potted plant that the Marian carried. She took Marian into a room where two old ladies were lodged. The nurse left the room after telling one of the women that a visitor had come to visit them. From the nurse's behavior, the Marian observed that she had no sympathy for the old women. She acted like a salaried employee and not as a nurse who cared for the old women. She did not even have a kind words for the visitor. तो मैरियन वहाँ पे नर्स से कहती है कि उसे ओल्ड लेडीज से मिलना है। नर्स जो है उसके फूलों के गमले की तारीफ़ करती है और उसे ओल्ड लेडीज़ के पास लेके जाती है। मैरियन को नर्स रूम में ले जाती है। मैरियन को वहाँ पे रूम में बहुत गंदी बदबू आती है और जैसे ही रूम में पहुँचती है नर्स उसे बताती है कि यहाँ एक ही रूम में 2 औरतें रहती हैं। मैरियन ने जैसे ही रूम में एंटर किया, एक बूढ़ी औरत उसे देखकर स्माइल की और दूसरी बूढ़ी औरत बेड पर लेटी हुई थी क्योंकि वो बहुत बीमार थी। अब मैरियन थी तो एक बच्ची ही, तो वो इस बात से व्याकुल हुई कि अफेक्टेड हुई कि वो कमरा बहुत डार्क था और रहने का मतलब है किसी डाकू की गुफा में रहना। जो औरत चल सकती थी वो प्लांट को देख के बहुत खुश हुई और प्लांट की तारीफ़ की, जबकि जो बेड पे लेटी हुई थी बूढ़ी औरत, उसने कहा कि फूल बहुत गंदे हैं और ये पौधा जंगली है। पहली औरत मैरियन से पूछती कि तुम कौन हो। मैरियन बताती है कि वो एक कैंपफायर गर्ल है। तो वो औरत कहती है कि पिछले ही महीने एक कैंपफायर गर्ल उन्हें मिलने आई थी। तो दूसरी बूढ़ी औरत कहती हैं, एडी कहती हैं कि कब आई, मैंने तो कभी नहीं देखा। एक्चुअली वो दोनों टाइम पास के लिए एक दूसरे पर टॉन्ट करते रहते हैं, एक दूसरे के अपोजिट बात करते रहते हैं, झगड़ते रहते हैं। When she entered the room, she saw that one of the two women was much elderly to the other. Though one woman appreciated the potted plant, the other woman felt that the potted plant was not pretty and it had stinkweeds. One of the old women was optimistic and the other, who was laying on the bed, was pessimistic. The room in which they were lodged was the tiny room. It was congested with too much furniture. It was damp. It was also dark because the windows were closed and the only doors was also shut. The girl thought that the room was like a robber's cave. She also felt that both the women were quarrelsome. Marian spent some time reluctantly in the room and left the room. The girl had a very bad experience after visiting the two old women in the old lady's home. Marian could not console them. She almost ran out of the old lady's home. Marian panics at the sight of their grief and instead of consoling them, flees. So it is clear that the girl's visit to the old lady's home was only to gain the extra points for her campfire organization. The author of the story clearly tells that the readers that there are some people like Marian who do philanthropic actions just to satisfy their selfish motives. For such people, acts of charity is only for their selfish motives. In fact, they are really indifferent to the people around them. Marian did not come forward to help the lady even when she begged her for a penny. Students, now coming to the conclusion, the story portrays how the meaning of charity has changed from caring for the trying to help others to trying to earn points or keeping up appearance. It makes readers contemplate the motives people have for performing acts of charity, as even the nurse, who is expected to be compassionate, is indifferent to the elderly women suffering. पहली औरत बताती है कि आज बूढ़ी एडी की बर्थडे है। एडी फिर से झगड़ने लगती है कि आज उसका बर्थडे नहीं है। मैरियन दोनों को चुप कराने के लिए चिल्ला उठती है कि मैं तो सिर्फ यहाँ एक्स्ट्रा पॉइंट्स गेन करने के लिए आई हूँ। मैरियन जैसे ही वहाँ से जाने लगती हैं, बूढ़ी औरत उससे पैसे मांगती है कि एक पेनी दे दो ताकि हम बर्थडे सेलिब्रेट कर सकें। पेनी का मतलब यहाँ होता है कि एक पैसा। मैरियन जितनी जल्दी वहाँ से निकल सकती थी और निकलती हैं और नर्स उससे पूछते हैं कि डिनर करके जाना, तो वो उसे इग्नोर करते हुए बाहर निकल जाती है। स्टूडेंट्स जब वो ओल्ड एज होम में एंटर होने वाली होती हैं, उसके हाथ में एक बहुत बड़ा एप्पल होता है। वो एंटर होने से पहले उस एप्पल को उस लड़की ने, मैरियन ने, एक छोटे से पौधे में छिपा देती हैं और ओल्ड एज होम में एंटर हो जाती हैं। ये एक सेल्फिश मोटिव बताता है। वो ऐसे इसलिए करती हैं कि वो उन बूढ़ी औरतों से बांटना नहीं चाहती थी, खुद ही खाना चाहती थी। जब वे वापस जाने लगती हैं, वो एप्पल निकाल कर जंप करके बस में बैठ जाती हैं और बिग बाइट लेती हैं। When Marin came out of the building, she went near the shelf, bent down, and without being seen, took the hidden red apple. She saw the bus approaching like a rocket. She shouted and got the bus stopped. Marian then jumped into the bus and took a bite out of the apple. Students, here hiding the apple in a bush was an act of hard heart and selfishness. So here it is compared with the act of Eve and Adam in the paradise. In the Milton's Paradise Lost, an epic poem. At the end, the writer wants to manifest that Marian, the selfish girl, was also very much attached to the apple. Students, I hope you have enjoyed the lesson and well understood. If so, like, share and subscribe the channel for upcoming lesson stanzas written in rejection and Julius Caesar. And don't forget to give your valuable feedback. Thank you for watching. Meet you in the next session. Until then, keep learning. Here you have a summary of Visit of Charity. Go through it.